Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the New Orleans 2013 Investment Conference in New Orleans. I have with me Bill Howald of Rye Patch Gold, symbols RPM on the TSX Venture and RPMGF on the OTC markets. Welcome back to SNNLive.
Hey, Shelley. It's great to be back. Thanks for having me on.
It's good to have you. We're at a noisy conference. I want you to know we've been definitely following Rye Patch. What are you up to these days?
Well, as you know, since the last time we spoke, we've settled our conflict with Coeur d'Alene Mines, and through that settlement, we got $10 million in cash, royalty worth about $30 million, and some extensions to our Lincoln Hill property. So we're quite excited. We think we've got a very good story, and we're self-funded now with that income from the royalty. So we're starting to move forward on our projects, and with that, we'll have a new preliminary economic analysis out first quarter of next year, and start to build the value and de-risk the projects that we have.
So you turned a lawsuit into cash, am I correct?
That's right, into an income stream and cash. So, we'll have income over the next 4 to 5 years. And I think that's kind of the unique aspect of the company, in that we're self-funded. We don't need to go to the market and look for cash.
Well, it's a new form of IPO, by the way. But what I also want to say is, it came in a good time, because the market has been soft for metals and resources anyway. So what do you think you lost out? When you still have all of your own properties, you're still doing all of your own development, you seem to me like you're a little bit ahead of the game.
Yeah, I think we're a much stronger company now than, say, when the lawsuit was going on. I mean, obviously, the lawsuit created a lot of uncertainty with not only the company, and then the market itself created a lot of uncertainty within the sector. And we've been able to overcome both of those aspects and, come out in a stronger position.
Now, you've been around a while. Where do you think the market, well, let's say the industry, let's say the sector, where does it go from here?
Well, that's an interesting question. I mean, I really think what we need to see is some strength come back to the major miners, the Barricks and the Newmonts of the world. And once they get their house in order, they have all told us they've got religion, they're going to start to become profitable. And I think once we see that, that'll turn the sector around. How
do you feel about the word opportunity when it comes to thinking about the gold market, which you're definitely in?
Well, I think I'm kind of a Warren Buffett fan, and I think if you're greedy, now's the time to be greedy, because there's a lot of fear going on out there.
So you think gold is a good opportunity?
I think it's a great opportunity. Really the fundamentals underpinning gold and what drives gold for the future anyway, it hasn't changed. It's only gotten better over time. It's only the market and people's perception of the market that's changed. And I've gone around and I hear people tell me that the gold price is oh so low. $1,200 gold price is not a bad gold price. So what we really need is people to become profitable, be able to work in this environment of $1,200 gold, $20 silver. I think once that happens, the sector is really going to take off.
And to find out more information about Rye Patch Gold, which website would you recommend our viewers go to?
Well, I would go to www.ryepatchgold.com.
That sounds like a good idea to me. Ladies and gentlemen, Bill Howald, Rye Patch Gold, symbols RPM on the TSX-V and RPMGF on the OTC markets. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the New Orleans 2013 Investment Conference right here in lovely New Orleans. Thanks, Bill, for coming on to SNNLive.
Thanks, Shelley. Pleasure.
Good to have you.